See the second problem. Find the equivalent resistance across the two ends A and B of the following circuit. See here, in the given circuit, here A and here B. In between A and B, the terminal should be have the joints are C, D, E, F. So here C to E is no resistance. And also D to F is also no resistance. Now we have to need a modify of this circuit diagram. First of all, we have to draw like this. From the given circuit, here all the resistance are in parallel because should be all are in junctions. So we have to need that junction like this. See here, first of all we have to draw C to D, C to D. So I would like C here and D. So C to A, that means this is A. Clear? Now D to F will be given and F can be goes to B. I would like to change here D to B is here and D to F is here. Clear? So DF have no resistance. So DF can be goes to B. So that's why D to extends B and D to F is here. Now C to F is there, there is no. C to E also no is there, but D to E is there. So D to E means like this. This is D to E. So C to E is there is no resistance. Then we will draw like this, C to E. Are you understand? Please the following clearly. D to E connection between D to E, one resistance. That is this resistance. I would like connection like this. And C to D I would like this connection. Now C to E is like this, C to E. So D to F is like this. Now E to F means like this. From E to start and getting F is here. So these resistance all are in parallel. Clear? Or understand? So the resistance should not be given. We can we use this is R and this is R and this is also R. So these are ohms, R ohms, R ohms. So all are in parallel connection. Am I right or wrong? So all are in parallel connection. Therefore, the equivalent resistance across A and B is here CD and DE and EF are in parallel connection. Therefore RAB is equals to RCD into RDE into REF by if there are three resistance, what is the formula of the parallel? So R1 into R2 into R3 by R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1. So we could like RCD into RDE plus RDE into REF plus RCD into REF. That is equals to R into R by R into R plus R into R plus R into R. Therefore R cube by R square plus R square plus R square. That is equals to R cube by 3R square. So here R square and this cube can get remaining R. That is equals to R by 3 ohms. Therefore the equivalent resistance across A and B is R by 3 ohms. Clear? See the next problem. Find the equivalent resistance of A and B. Assume that P and Q are at same potential. So here this is the circuit diagram. So we have to go for an equivalent resistance of across A and B resistance. So we can get this all resistance should be or in getting to this parallel for this resistance. So all resistance should be have R ohms. That means R ohms. So all resistance are equal. All resistors have resistance are equal. So we can get here the given resistance in given circuit P and Q are have same potential. So here potential is nothing but voltage. So it means no current will flow through the resistance. No current will flow through the resistance. So this is the bridge circuit. So this type of circuits are there across these one of the circuit have it is same potential. These resistance should be neglected. This resistance should be neglected. So that's why then P and Q is ineffective. P and Q is ineffective. Why it is ineffective means here the same potentials have, there is no current will flow through this circuit. If it is any battery connection, the current will flowing like this and this like this. So when it is in between these circuit, the resistance should be have a no current. So because of equal potential. So that's why this resistance should be neglected. So here the resistance should be neglected. Therefore P and Q is ineffective. Then the circuit diagram is A and B. So these resistance are in series and these two resistance are in series. So it is the replies the resistance, the circuit diagram it will goes to that means these two resistance are in series. This is R plus R, 2R, and these two resistance are in series. That is R plus R, 2R. These resistances are, this is the R. So these three resistance are in parallel. Therefore, then what we have to do now? In R equivalent is equals to R equivalent is equals to like this 2R into R by 2R into 2R plus 2R into R plus R into 2R. Therefore 2 2s are 4, R into R cube, R into R square means into R means R cube. So here 4R plus 2R square plus 2R square, that is equals to 4R cube by 4R plus 4R square. 4R plus 4R here, sorry, here also 4R square. 4R square plus 4R square. And then go for 4R cube by 8r square. 8r square. So 4 ones, 4 twos. Here r square can get in. Here r should be remaining. Therefore r by 2 ohms. So simple. Clear? Once I repeat, R equivalent is equals to 2R into 2R into R. That means here, see here, this is 2R resistance. This is also 2R resistance. And this is R resistance. So these all are in parallel across A and B. Therefore R equivalent is equals to 2R into 2R into R. This one. Next to 2R into 2R. 2R into 2R. Next 2R into R. 2R into R. Next R into 2R. R into 2R. Therefore 2R into 2R into R means 2 2s are 4. R into R means R cube. Then by 4R cube by 2R into 2R 4R square. 2R into R 2R square. R into 2R 2R square. 4R square plus 2R square plus 2R square, that is 4R square plus 4R square, that is 8R square. Clear? Then 4R cube by 8R square means here R square get cancelled, the remaining is R is here in numerator. So 4 ones 4 twos, that is 1 by 2. There is nothing but R by 2. That is a formula makes can be going on. This is R1 and this is R2 and this is R3. Therefore R equivalent can goes to R1 into R2 into R3 by R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1. How will come this formula mean? See here, 1 by R is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. That will comes R1 into R2 into R3 by, here R1 cancel, then comes R2 into R3 plus R2 cancel, then can goes to R1 R3 plus R3 can goes to can get remaining R1 R2. This is 1 by R. So R is equals to then how much? R1 R2 R3 by R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R1 R3. So like this formula we have to conclusion here, then we can get R by 2 ohms. Clear? So I have to give some more problems. You have to do your homework. Thank you.